Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will teach you how to find the square root with the help of prime factorization, and this is question number 3 part A of exercise number 1A. So in the previous video I taught you how to find the prime factorization of any number. So first of all we will find the prime factors of 1764. So as we know 1764 is an even number, so it must be divisible by 2, and in prime factorization we have to divide this number with the smallest possible prime number, and that is 2. Now look at the first digit. 1 is smaller than 2, so whenever the first digit is smaller than this thing, so you have to consider the 2 digits. Now how many times 2 is 17? As we know that 17 doesn't come in the table of 2, obviously. So what do? We will think the nearest even number, that is 16, but that number must be smaller than 17. Okay, so how many times is 2 is 16? Now 2 8 are 16. Difference between 17 and 16 is 1. We will put 1 over here. We will attach 1 with this 6, so it will become 16. Now 2 8 are 16 again, and 2 2s are 4. Again 882 is an even number. Now we will divide it by 2 again. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. Now 441 is not an even number, so we will think the next possible prime number by which 441 can be divisible. So let us divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3, again it will be 14. 3 4s are 12, and it will be 21. Yes, 3 can easily divide 441, so let us write it. 3 1s are 3. Difference between 4 and 3 is 1. We will attach 1 over here. It will become 14. Now 3 4s are 12, and 12, difference between 14 and 12 is 2, so we will put 2 over here. Now 3 7s are 21. Again 147 is an odd number. Maybe it is divisible by 3. Now let's divide it. As you know that the first number is smaller than 3. First number is smaller than 3, so we will consider two numbers. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. Now difference between 14 and 12 is 2, so we will attach that 2 with 7. 3 9s are 27. Now you know that 49 is not divisible by 3, like 3 1s are 3 and 19, so we cannot divide 19 by 3. So think another prime number, that is 5. No, we cannot divide 49 by 5. The next prime number is 7, so 7 7s are 49. Yes, 49 is divisible by 7, and 7 1s are 7. When you will find the prime factorization of this number, then what you have to do, you will write them in the index notation form. The factors of 1764 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. So as we know that there are two 2's, so we can write it in the index notation form, and 2 raised to power 2. This power, the other name of the power is index, that's why we say it as index notation form. Now again 3 raised to power 2 and 7 raised to power 2. Now we have, as we know that 1764 has the factors, has the prime factors 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 7 square. Now take square root on both sides. Take square root on both sides of the equation. So 1764 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 7 square. I am taking square root on both sides. Now I can also write 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 7 square like this. In maths we can do this. I can put a single power, and I have multiplied all the numbers. Square root cancels the square, and what would be left? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. This thing will be left. Now if you multiply 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. So the answer is 42. So we have found the square root of 1764 with the help of prime factorization.